Polestar confirms the next phase in the electric vehicle revolution. I'm Justin. Polestar, listed on Nasdaq as PSNY, announces the successful initiation of Polestar for production, with anticipated deliveries in China by the year end. At the Hangzhou Bay factory, Polestar cars will take shape, powered by renewable electricity. The facility's green initiatives contribute to reducing the Polestar 4's environmental impact. Employing innovative methods such as water-based paint and specialized exhaust gas treatment, the factory significantly minimizes waste and emissions. Thomas Ingenlath, Polestar CEO, emphasized the milestone, citing the Polestar 4's standout design and performance. The Polestar 4 introduces groundbreaking elements like the virtual rear window and digital rear view mirror. This remarkable SUV coupe made its debut at the Shanghai Auto Show earlier this year, highlighting its innovative prowess. Future plans include additional production in Busan, South Korea, starting in 2025, expanding its reach to North American markets. Polestar 4, redefining the electric vehicle landscape. For more updates on cutting-edge technology, stay tuned.